In a remote area of northwest Greenland, an international team of scientists has made a stunning discovery. Buried beneath nearly a kilometer of ice, it's an impact crater, 300 meters deep, 31 kilometers wide, much bigger than Washington, D.C., even bigger than Paris, and it's probably one of the youngest large impact craters on Earth. The relentless spread of the Greenland ice sheet has covered the crater, obscuring it from view for thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of years. Even so, scientists say it was essentially hiding in plain sight. So what finally revealed its presence? It all started with a rock, a map, and a connection made by scientists at the Natural History Museum in Copenhagen. Each day, scientists there pass by a large iron meteorite found in Greenland decades ago. One day, they got a new map of the bedrock topography beneath the ice sheet, mostly based on ice-penetrating radar data collected on board NASA's P-3 aircraft over 2 decades. This map gets more refined all the time, yet there are still areas open to interpretation, including the conspicuously semicircular edge of the ice sheet drained by the Hiawatha Glacier. There, the data showed a circular depression in the bedrock near the region where that courtyard meteorite had been found. In May of 2016, the team sent the German research plane Polar 6 to fly over Hiawatha Glacier with a powerful new ice-penetrating radar. Radar waves can travel through the ice, measuring its thickness and internal structure. Studying data from this airborne survey, the scientists confirmed the telltale bowl shape and central peaks beneath Hiawatha Glacier. They also found that the oldest ice in this crater was actually fairly young by Greenland standards and had experienced a great disturbance in its flow toward the end of the last ice age. The team then visited the area on foot, and in sediments deposited by a river draining out of the glacier, they found grains of the mineral quartz that showed signs of being physically shocked in a massive impact. Models suggest the asteroid was more than a kilometer wide. The Hiawatha crater is one of the 25 largest known impact craters on Earth, and the first found under any of our planet's ice sheets. Crucially, the Hiawatha impact crater still looks like an impact crater, even though it's covered by ice and seems to be rapidly eroding. The data as a whole suggests that the crater is quite young, geologically speaking. But we don't yet know exactly when an asteroid sped toward Earth, through the atmosphere, and into the planet's crust in northwest Greenland. It was likely less than 3 million years ago, but it might have been as recently as during the last ice age, 12 to 115,000 years ago. The impact could have also occurred when ice already covered Greenland, and it would have instantly vaporized billions of tons of ice and rerouted the flow of ice and water into the ocean. Whenever the impact happened, life on Earth at the time would have been profoundly affected. An impact of this size is unlikely to happen again soon, but evidence that it might have happened not so long ago in Earth's history is essential to assessing the risk today. This is the first study of the Hiawatha impact crater, but it still holds many secrets waiting to be discovered.